Hi everyone! In this presentation, I will be introducing the work I, Amélie Gruel, and my supervisor Jean Martinet did regarding bio-inspired visual attention for silicon retinas based on spiking neural networks applied to pattern classification. What is visual attention? It is the behavioral and cognitive process of selectively focusing on a discrete aspect of sensory cues. Spiking neural networks are bio-inspired neural networks mimicking the behavior of biological neurons' membrane conductance and synapses. As of silicon retina, it is a novel type of visual data recording which measures pixel-wise changes in brightness and outputs asynchronous events accordingly. In our work, in order to perform pattern recognition, we aim to apply visual attention mechanisms to event data produced by silicon retina using spiking neural network. In order to do so, we had to establish a preliminary biological background. Visual attention requires the initial processing of visual information by the human eye. In the human eye, the fovea is a central retinal spot where the vision is optimal in bright lights thanks to the high density of cones there against the whole retina. Once received by the retina, visual information travels through the thalamus, then along the different parts of the visual cortex, V1, V2, V3, etc. The frontal field is the green spot on the central figure, and it has an important role in visually guided saccade selection and selective spatial attention. It handles retinocentric maps of saliency. Three dichotomies of visual attention has been defined by Moore in 2017. There is a top-down versus a bottom-up attention, the spatial versus the temporal versus the feature-based attention, and the overt versus the covert attention. Moore also defined three neuromodulators as specifically relevant in visual attention, which are acetylcholine, dopamine, and norepinephrine. We also established a review of related work. In the domain of multimedia, it relies on ET and Core's comprehensive definition of saliency. Le Calais et Niebuhr reviews the exploitation of visual attention in multimedia as well. As of silicon retina, it has first been designed by Lichtsteiner et al. In 2008, and it has multiple applications possible that are described by Gallardo, Go, and al. In their comprehensive survey in 2020. There are also many computation models of attentions, and we selected a few relevant ones, such as Rena's work that is noteworthy due to its innovative combination of spiking neural network and silicon retina to perform object tracking. Werner and Evert also implemented an attention model of interest applied to pattern recognition. We put forward some proposals relying on the biological review mentioned earlier in order to apply biological attention to computational models. A first proposal could be to exploit forebrain mechanisms to implement top-down attention. Another possibility could be to explore the neuromodulators modus operandi to increase the importance given to visual regions of interest. And finally, we could unearth the relationship between saccadic eye movements and covert attention to implement retinocentric maps of saliency. Another line of work practicable would be to adapt existing attention model to spiking neural network and/or visual input produced by silicon retina. We aim to bring out the benefits of using attention to achieve a visual task, thanks to this example of adapting a biologically inspired attention mechanisms implemented originally by Burnett and Evert, to computer vision. We intend to use the resulting network as a temporal, bottom-up attentional classifier for event camera data, such as the DVS 128 gesture dataset. In the first figure is presented the adapted network topology. The second figure presents the translation of gross event data to an activation pattern in the 3D input layer. Finally, the final figure presents our preliminary results. In conclusions, image and video analysis can benefit from the use of attentional mechanisms to improve the processing efficiency by driving the analysis only on the most pertinent parts of visual scenes.